Hello there and welcome to my channel Review Information. Today I will show you how to delete a post in Instagram. Go to the Instagram app from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the photo or video which you want to delete. Tap on the three vertical dot at the top right corner. In the menu list, you can see the second last option is delete. Tap on this. A confirmation message will pop up. Tap on delete button. Now you have deleted your photo successfully. That is how you can delete a post in Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.